In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood of the vehicle, let's get started. Before we start this process, I just want to point out that this vehicle uses two different types of coils. On our left, we're looking at what will be on cylinder 5 to 8. And on the right, this will be cylinder 1 to 4. Just keep in mind that the coil itself is the same, but the boot changes. If you notice, on the right side, the one that goes on cylinder 1 to 4 is longer, and the one that goes to cylinder 5 to 8 is shorter. For the demonstration of this video, we're going to be replacing coil number 8, but it is the same process throughout all of them. So just keep that in mind. And you can use the reference picture shown on the screen. For this demonstration, we're going to be doing this in the back of the engine. If you are to replace all of them, you will repeat this process on every single one. We're going to start by disconnecting the coil. You're going to see the coil plug is going to have a tab. Go ahead and squeeze it and slide the connector out. Move the connector out of the way for now. Next up, you're going to notice there's going to be a 10mm bolt right on top of it. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove it. Take the bolt out. And now you should be able to simply grab onto the coil and pull it out. Just like that. And now we install the coil. Slide it in. Line it up. You want to make sure you push it in and that you are bottomed out. Line it up with the hole. Go ahead and install the bolt by hand. And now we're going to torque that bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Go ahead and connect your coil. Make sure you get a nice click, and just for measures, give it a nice wiggle to make sure that it is nice and secure. You will repeat the same process on all of them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.